Yo guys, what's up? This is Killer Clown Kills You back again with another video, and today I'm gonna be doing a Roblox video back again. And yeah, if you do enjoy this, please leave a like and subscribe. If we can reach to 20 subs, I'll be doing a massive giveaway on Roblox. So yeah, today we're gonna be playing Jailbreak, and we're gonna be playing a private server to earn money. Actually, nah. Let's go into a public server. So let just load. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry for that. Okay, let's go and be a prisoner. And let's go and rob some banks. But probably I'll fail. So yeah. Okay, so now we're just out here. Now we're gonna go and break the box. So yeah. I need to break the box because that guy was just too lazy. Okay guys, so yeah. Let's go. Oh no, there's a policeman right there. There's a policeman right there. Oh no, let's make sure we don't die. Let's make sure we don't die. Let's make sure we don't die. And we have made it. We're almost there. We're almost there. Yes, guys, we're doing it. Let's go. So yeah guys, now we're just heading to the garage just to change the color of my vehicle. Then we're gonna go and hop and rob some banks. So yeah, we're almost there, by the way. Let me just turn this way, and then we'll go here. I'm the bad boy with the diamond camo. I've earned it out of the legendary box, so yeah. So yeah guys, sorry if you hear noises in the background, but it's just my little sister. Oh no, I just smashed my car. Okay, let's go to the jewelry store. Wait, is this open? Wait, please, please. Yes! Guys, it's open, it's open, it's open, it's open, it's open. No! There's a policeman right there. There's a policeman right there. There's a policeman. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Yee! Yee! Break the box! No! Guys, I just got arrested. I just got so annoyed right there. Oh my god, that's a bad start for a video. So yeah, we're loading up, and yeah. Okay, so we're getting released in 2 seconds, and we're out. Let's go. Okay, most wanted. So if I arrest him, I get like $500. Not that bad. Okay guys, let's go. Please let's not fail this time. Oi! Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, 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 no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, oh no, oh no. What the hell is that woman doing, man? Escape! That's what it's for. Okay guys, we're out the jail now. Now let's just go head to the jail. No, not jail. We escaped jail, but now let's go like rob the banks and stuff. Okay. And once again, I'm gonna go and change the color of the car. So yeah. I'll lock my vehicle as well, so like in case the police is there, so they won't get in my car. I just there was like a policeman that was like AFK, so then I could steal the card of him. So yeah, guys, let's go. Should we go bank or Jew first? Let's go Jew. Hi. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 You stupid policeman! Oh my God, that's annoying me. Be right back, guys. Okay, back, guys. I just I just cut the video there, so like it didn't take that long for the door to open. So yeah. Let's go to escape. We've already been caught twice and we haven't even robbed a single bank. Bruh, you're such a noob. Don't you know how to punch? Duh. What the hell? There's like policemen jumping down from the roof. I thought that girl got tased. Okay guys, if we fail one more time, I'm gonna go into a private server. Okay guys, I'll see you back once I'm at the jail. Not jail, I mean bank or maybe jewelry store. Okay guys, I'm here at the jewelry store. Okay. So now let's go ahead to the bank and see if it's open. If it ain't open, I'll skip ahead into the video. Oh no, it's open. Okay. I think it's actually bad. One big... Holy crap. Open the door. Okay, so pretty much I think I'm gone. Oh no, oh no, 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 no. Hello. Hello, my friend. Hello, my friend. Yes, bro, let's go. Oh no, oh no, oh no, what the hell? Bro, what the flip? Okay, guys, now I'm just running around trying to not get okay guys, we failed. Okay guys, I'll see you back when I'm in a private. Okay guys, I'm in a jail now. I'm just gonna rob it. Then once I've robbed it, what I will do is once I've robbed the bank, I'm gonna end the video right there. So yeah guys, and if you do enjoy this video, please leave a like because it does mean a lot to me. Okay guys, so yeah, let's go. Okay guys, I'm gonna be hiding right here. Okay guys, we're on the 3rd floor now. And as well guys, I wanted to shout out this person, Pixelated Player 121. He's been really amazing to me. I helped him get the Bugatti for this game. So yeah guys, please follow this guy because he is amazing, and he's helping me now to get the Lambo, the Lambo, because I don't have it yet. But yeah guys. Okay guys, I'm almost done. Okay guys, if you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.